But she's still all of our moms. What? But she's still my mom.
No, you're not.
Yeah, she is. She's still my mom.
No.
Yes. She's still my mom.
What?
Yes, she's still my mom.
No, you're not.
Yes, she is.
I put down on my bed and the girl got real and dad got my hair and they got me and one day, everybody, yeah.
Oh baby, we can't see the
I see her. Ow.
I just wanna dive in with you. I just wanna lie here with you.
Oh my gosh!
Just be careful, nana. Love is simple, nana. Promise me no promises. Oh nana, just be careful, nana. Love is simple, nana. Promise me no promises.
Whoa!
What you doing? Is that your math homework?
Yes.
Have you done your reading?
No.
Can you please do your reading?
Can I first finish this thing?
How many more? How much longer?
What do you mean?
How much longer do you need to finish that?
Or like, I don't know, a minute or so?
I'll give you 5 minutes, okay?
Okay.
I love you.
Oh my god.
So today they canceled school. And you see all that? Yeah, that's not snow. That is ice. So they canceled school. You're doing Prodigy again?
Yes.
You like that?
Uh-huh. I always defeat the Titan.
You've almost defeated the Titan?
Uh-huh.
Coolio.
Because look how much health he has.
You gonna do your guitar? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you?
What are you playing? What are you doing? So as you saw, it's tablet time around here, and the kids are just relaxing and playing until it's lunchtime. What are you doing, Beansy? Really? Hey, go over here and show me your new outfit. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. I love it.
This is a different
Ooh.
Get it, Jojo. How do you like my lipstick? Bubble deal.
Peekaboo. to tell you guys about this recipe. It is for coconut bars. It is just coconut, shredded coconut, maple syrup, and coconut oil all mixed together. Put it in the fridge when it hardens.
And it's horrible.
It is, yeah, Cash didn't like it.
No.
It is so good.
No, it's not.
You like it? Yeah.
No, it's not.
I do.
You do like it? Good. Yes, it is very good.
Look how she gets a big
And it's all paleo, gluten-free, dairy-free. It's good. So tonight for dinner, I am making cashew chicken. So we will see how this turns out. So first I'm starting the cashews. I'm just going to toast them a little bit. I got my rice going. Oh, it's almost done. So now I've added the chicken, the onion, and the yellow and the green pepper, and I'm just sauteing that until the chicken's done and the vegetables get brown. And my rice is done. Yum. And there it is. This is the cashew chicken. Looks good. It was really easy. Yeah. Time to eat.
My heart's beating just fine.
Go get your ball. Get your ball.
Hazel, you know where it is. Come on.
Hazel, get your ball. 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 Hazel, get your ball. Get your ball.
Alright, here. Here, I'll show you how, and then you can do it. So, you do 1 scoop. You let it drip,
Slimy.
and then you put it in.
Okay.
Look! Is that your Mickey Mouse pancake?
Yeah.